తూర్పుగోదావరి జిల్లా తుని నియోజకవర్గంలో మారుమూల ఇందుకపల్లి గ్రామానికి చెందిన మహాత్మా గాంధీ సేవా పురస్కార గ్రహీత జుత్తాడ భాస్కర్ ఆంధ్ర తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఆయన యొక్క వాక్చాతుర్యంతో ఎంతో మందిని వారి దైనందిన జీవితంలో ఉపయోగపడే వాటిపై సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రాంతో యువతను మేల్కొల్పే దిశగా ఎంతో మందికి ఆదర్శప్రాయులు అయ్యాడు. ఈయన యొక్క వాక్చాతుర్యాలకి జేడి లక్ష్మీనారాయణ, అద్దంకి శ్రీధర్, ఆర్వి నాగార్జున, కర్రీ స్వామి, జేసీ శ్రీరామ్ ప్రముఖులు ఆకర్షితులై ప్రశంసలు కురిపించారు. అనంతరం సామాజిక మాధ్యమం ద్వారా పాల్గొన్న యువకులకు ప్రశంసా పత్రాలు అందజేశారు.
So I respected all the dignitaries and who presented here and each and every my dear friends and family members and so my dear beloved students. So you all know that Inspire is doing a lot of activities since a couple of years. So I am the CEO and director of Inspire Foundation. So recently we have been organizing two programs. Everybody seen that. So one is called an EPS, in the sense effective public speaking, and followed by soft skills training to enter the students of across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So both the states. And these are the participants, approximately 500 members. So they were well participated, and recently we have organized such a wonderful programs. So all the students are there actively participate in this program. So I express my immense thanks to all the participants and really hats up to all the parents of the participants also, because so they are always encourage the students to participate such type of wonderful events. So why I'm saying that, so life is not only education but also everything is they must be there in all the other activities also. So many people they're committing a suicide because they don't have lot of knowledge. So we are providing each and every knowledge, not only in academics but also all the trainings also. So how to be in a mental condition. So these are all the trainings that have been conducted, and all the participants they did lot of efforts for this participation for last 2 weeks. And as a founder and CEO of Inspire, so we are doing without taking any money from anyone. So that much of efforts we are keeping, and entire my team is there. So the names of that my team, they are working endlessly for the sake of these all the students. So the first name is called Teja sir, is working a lot of dedication, the man with commitment. So he is also working with me continuously day and night for the sake of all the participants. And Maunika madam also working a lot of hard work for the sake of these all participants. Not only Maunika madam but also SSME madam and Bon Priya madam and Anita madam. So these all the working with me. They're number one the students, and all the number one students are doing a great job. So because the back end we are doing. So the last day night and we have been conduct the program called Validatory, Soft Skills Validatory and EPS Validatory. So in this there are many students participate from different areas. So in that we call the guest of honors, one of the most prestigious persons from India is none other than Sri J.D. Lakshminarayan sir, and ex-CBI officer and IPS officer. He is a guest of honor, and not only him but also Indian film actor K.V. Pradeep Garu. So and K.V. Pradeep Garu next followed by so JVC Sriram is an international speaker, and also he is also guest of honor. And Dr. Karri Swami Garu is also the guest of honor yesterday, the MD and CEO of so Aishman Hospital Vizag. And with him the National President of JCI India 2019, Shirish Dundra Garu, the guest of honor for the last day. And these all the great eminent persons who came the guest of honor for the validity of EPS and soft skills training program. And moreover the person is a dedication and hard work person. WPD of India Nagarjun Garu, so is such a wonderful person, and he is also the guest of honor. And Charan Garu, the CEO of Victory, he is also participated on the last day for program. And moreover, so the person Ayyappa Garu Singam, he is also the chairman of one of the best person. He is also participated, and we are with you, the founder and chairman. So these all the great eminent persons that came yesterday the inaugural function, so the validatory function. So on that they spoke, and Sridhar sir, Addanki Sridhar Babu Gar sir, is also an IS UPSC All India 5th rank. Sridhar sir also joined the live yesterday of the program. He is also the guest of honor. So these all the guests speaking something regarding the students, and KV Pradeep sir, JD sir, IS Sridhar sir, WPD India Nagarjun sir, Shirish Dundo sir, JVC Sriram sir, and Ayyappa Singam Garu, Charan Victory Garu. These all the great eminent speakers, who topmost keynote speakers, and JVC Sriram sir. So these all the speakers came as a guest of honors. So they guide us all the people, so they give a lot of valuable information. So by coming to that after the completion of that speech, and they were followed by so many people, there are a lot of